When you're making kibbeh nebelsiah, one of the nice things to do is to set up your workspace. You want to set up your machine with the kibbeh attachment if you have one. If you don't have a kibbeh attachment, it can be purchased over the internet, or you can actually try and make these by hand. And I will show you how to make them by hand without the machine. You want to have a tray lined with wax paper because you are going to be stuffing these and freezing them in advance before you're actually cooking them. You want to have your dough. You want to have your meat mixture prepared. And I like to have a flat plate so that when the dough is coming through the mixer, I can put it on the plate. I usually do 6 or 8 at a time. Then I stop the mixer and I stuff them. I also like to have a bowl of water. And the purpose of the bowl of water is that sometimes the dough dries out and the water helps you can dip your fingers into it and lubricate just a little bit. It's kind of a technique that you learn as you go along when you've been making these a very, very long time. So I have my meat mixture ready, I have my dough ready, I have my machine set up, I have my tray, I have my plate, and I have my bowl of water. These are all the things that I need to get started. I also need a helper. So I like to have somebody in the house, and again, this is a job for a child or your sibling, or in Sephardic food and culture, we love to do these things as a family. So frequently my sister and I will do it, or my husband and I will do it, because this is very much a part of who we are. And making kibbeh tends to be a family activity.